Hello, Sussers. Welcome back to Indigo Park. So last time we made it into Junction, I believe it was. Then we found a minigame, which I think it showed some more lore, even though I don't really not sure where it's supposed to be. Now I'm back here.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's rooftop races?
Yeah, sure.
It's not far from here, and it's a great warm-up before we get into the bigger rides. Just take it up at Molly's landing pad.
Hello? Where's the information kiosk as well? I haven't seen one. So I'm assuming someone's crashed again. Rooftop races. I'm assuming this is the way. Let's go right. Hello?
Oh no, this is horrible. Looks like Molly crashed into the right again. Don't worry though, your pal Rambley has the repairman on speed dial.
Cool.
We're sorry. The number you have dialed has been disconnected or is no longer in service. Please check the number and dial again.
Yeah, womp.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's landing pad? It's not far from here, and it's a great cool down after that exhilarating ride. Just take a down from Molly's rooftop races.
Cool. This guy's not really that funny. Literally, I swear, Rambley's so stupid. He doesn't. He like knows anything. What's over here at least? Hello? Not here. So we went into Molly's garage already. Why is this place abandoned anyway? I got kind of confused. Molly's landing pad. I'm assuming this is what I need to go to. Is there anything else I need to see? Something else over here? Okay. What's this? Why's the lights on? This is nice. Maybe. Oh, purple star. Is this what needs to be started? Oh, okay, I need to find shapes, different colours, then put those to open the door. But where are you going? You're gonna act like nothing happened? I wanna go in here. Is that blood? So was that blood? Hello? Oh, orange O. Orange is O, so what's... So I wonder what's up here then. Apparently I'm not too far from finishing as well. Oh, red star. Orange O. I'm an idiot. Orange O, red star. Green triangle. Orange O, red star. Green triangle. I'm assuming there's a... Oh, blue star. What was that? So red here is star. I forgot what yellow was. I forgot what yellow was. Oh, I didn't even find yellow. Yeah, I don't think I've seen yellow, yeah. Green, I forgot what stuff was. One of these was orange. So I'm assuming this one was supposed to be orange. But then I realised it's actually yellow. So that's that. Red was star. I forgot. I have to go find the codes again. I can't forgot. That's red star. What's up here? Green is triangle. Blue star. Wait, red wasn't... What? I forgot. What was red? So blue was star. What? I'm getting myself confused now. Let's go up here then. Hello? Oh, God. Is it blood? Oh. Run! Hey guys, he's following. That guy's killed me. Run! Is he following? I think he is. Yes, he's in. Stop. Run! Yeah. I didn't see it, but I bet he is following. I didn't see him, but I bet he's still following. Go this way.
Ah, there you are, buddy. Wait, hold on. This one's staff only. Come on in, new staff.
God. Door shut. No, 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 no. No. God.
Welcome to the Rambley's Wranglers Registered Room. Here we have plenty of amenities and... Okay. I can see in your facial tracking that you're scary, angry, upset. Transparency is an important part of our policy here at
What the hell?
Indigo Park.
What happened? I think the door shut it in time and her
He's
head
been an
popped
actor
up.
for
I think
years.
that she's now done.
Employees stopped showing up. Guests too. The mascots are...
Yeah, dummy.
I just was so excited to see a visitor, and I wanted to be sure you were given the best experience possible. But I was confined to the entrance for so long, I didn't realize just how much disrepair the park is fallen
Gotcha.
into.
How
Wasting all
we can always fix the theme park, get everyone back to normal.
Sorry for the inconvenience. But I have an idea. I have access to the repair documentation in my database. I just can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user.
Okay.
You must have come here because the park matters to you too, right? Would you be willing to help me restore the park? I can see in your facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's get this place back in business.
Cool. Oh.
Okay, welcome to the crew, Rookie Wrangler. Registered. Your first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers, registered, is to get out of the Rambley's Wranglers registered room. Head left towards the Rookie Wrangler registered security room and set yourself free.
What do I do now?
Uh-oh, that Rambley's Wranglers room is only accessible by Royal Wranglers. Maybe one day you'll grow up big and strong.
Oh. Oh, I guess it's closed. Hello. So many security cameras? Cool. Can't click you. No? Oh no. Up here? Or somewhere? I'm gonna mess up. Where am I? And another thing, why is this big? Oh, puzzle. Information kiosk. A Rambley head jobs.
I don't get why we even have those. And why do they only make one of Lloyd? Is it because he's the loudest? I can be loud too! Where's my limited edition throwback plush? Where's Molly's? Where's Finley's? Give this mistake to a child and they'll cry.
Idiot. How's this there? Got a lot of buttons.
Whoa, where'd you find that? I've never seen anyone wearing one. Pretty snazzy. Ooh, looks like there's an audio recording tagged with costume in my database I've never noticed before. Let's listen.
Hey Jackson, you hear about the new mascots?
No.
Yeah, think it'll put us out of a job?
I think so. Old sport. And right after we got this damn raccoon costume.
Man, screw this place. I said we get our asses out of here and go straight to Vegas.
Aw, come on. They didn't even document the Indigo inventory ID for the costume. I was really looking forward to that. What a useless recording. Deleted.
I agree.
Ooh, that's a Rambley cup. Nothing beats the taste of fresh Rambleberry juice drunk directly out of my plastic, lifeless
Okay.
head.
Oceania goddess? I did see this. I did hear about this one. I'm gonna go.
Wow, you made it to Oceanic Odyssey. You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler. You'll find a potpourri of porpoises, pickerels, and perches as far as the eye can see. But please don't tap the glass. You never really know what lies beneath the surface.
What's that? Game?
Hey, buddy. You okay? You look kind of tired. Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself. But before you settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park? Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true. If you've got some time and you're up for a lark, stick around for the Rambley review.
Okay.
I'm here to offer my best to each valuable guest I assist. And lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist. Let's try it. Were you satisfied with the rides? Yes or no? Were you satisfied with your guide? I sure hope so. Do you plan to come back? Will I see you again? Did your experience convince you to tell a friend about us?
No.
Did I earn your trust?
No.
At Indigo Park,
Yeah, you really don't.
there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee.
Okay, cool.
At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find.
Okay.
But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. That is, if you want to keep going. Oh, idea! I know all of this isn't fair to you. It's an awful lot to ask. But here comes Rambley Review Part 2 to sell you on our task.
whatever.
I'm here
Stop.
to view and assess each valuable guest as I learn. And lots of happy feedback ensures you're gonna return. Right, I'm so happy you rode a ride. And saw the show. I'm so happy to be your guide. More than you know. So come back anytime. I'd love to see you again. In all my thousands of days, I've never had a friend like you. At least I hope I do. At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee.
Bro, what is this?
At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. Till all my old friends are united again, and I won't feel so left behind. Okay, I'll let you go. See you next time, buddy. Please?
He just said, please. Like, actually, what? What? Thank you. Indigo Park is a full-on passion project that I've been working on for a little over a year now. The stories and the world that we want to create with Rambley and the friends are very special to us. Thanks to your support. Chapter 2 is now in active development. Keep an eye on our socials for upcoming news. No matter what happens, we hope you enjoy your stay. Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Ah. Thank you. Main menu. And I'm assuming that's Indigo Park. Wow, that was actually a great adventure, actually. I love that. Oh. Where am I? Oh, I'm back. Oh, I'm back at the main menu, aren't I? Yeah. Now, this game was actually really terrible. No, I'm just kidding. If you're watching this career, I'm absolutely kidding. What about credits? Is it just gonna make me watch the whole thing again?
Hey, buddy. You okay? You look kind of tired.
Yeah, I'm not.
Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for it.
Anyway, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye.